coming at you without my makeup on, but I've got some breakouts and I just don't want to apply makeup to it this morning. But I know you guys get that, and only reason why I apologize is because I just feel like you guys always deserve my best presentation, and sometimes that's not what you get. But anyways, we're going to Dollar Tree this morning. As you can see, it's a thunderstormy Sunday morning, and yeah, so we're just gonna go into Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take you guys in there with me, see what we can't find. I'm kind of expecting to maybe start to see some fall stuff. I know I've been seeing a lot of videos of people already starting DIYs and decorating. Unfortunately, that's not gonna happen here right now, but we're getting there. So pulling up to Dollar Tree now, and let's get shopping. Wait a minute. Oh my god. Getting those. What? Here's the purple one. I hauled the pink one a couple days ago. So there's the purple. You got those. Ooh, look at these gorgeous binders. Ooh, there's like an interesting texture. Such pretty colors. What is this right here? Oh, it's a construction paper pad. I am really digging pink. I wanted more of these. Look at that hot pink. So these are, I think, officially the colors for back to school. They always do like some type of color thing, and it's these. How cute is that? See, look. Ooh, I want the black one. Here they are. Okay, I'm gonna get all of them. Dry erase. Those are markers. Dry eraser. Wait, what's this? Let's get this one too. See, look, this matches the pencil pouch. Oh my god, I gotta get that. Have to get that. Wait, what? These look like they're a different size. I'm gonna get those two. Looks like they have it in green. We'll get it in blue. It's probably all they have. Look, all of the composition notebooks. Ooh, look at these. Did I already get these? I don't know, but I'm gonna get them. I don't think I have gotten these. See, these are the colors: purple, green, blue, and pink. So these must be their official back to school stuff. Paper. Look at the glue. The glue is really cool. Look at these. So pretty. I already hauled those. Ooh, these look awesome. Great for organization. Looks like you can stack them. Strawberry, peaches. They even got the cable, pineapple, watermelon back there. Here's a watermelon. Strawberries, so cute. look at all of this stuff. Like, I love this store. So much organization. This color, okay, this color right here is really rare in Dollar Tree, and it has dry erase capabilities. They have yogurt cups. Like, are you kidding me? So they probably have a spot to put your yogurt and then like your parfait and your, ooh, they even have little, they have little spoons in there. And they have it in this color too. What are these? Wow. Has an ice pack in those. That's really cool. We finally got some new glasses. Look at that. A taco, avocados, pizza. Looks like margaritas. That's hilarious. Okay, these were the new cards I was telling you guys about. I already hauled like that one. See how they all have this like same look to them? Like, they are so pretty. What's this one? Look at that. I've hauled the lemon. Looks like they have some new boxes. This one is really freaking cool. I really like that. Got red. That's interesting. To another store. What you guys don't know is that I actually went home and changed. Don't ask me why. But yeah, we're gonna go to another Dollar Tree. This one just didn't have like the makeup I was kind of hoping for, and makeup's kind of been my newest little thing that I want to hunt for at Dollar Tree. So we're gonna go to another store. Still a rainy Sunday, but now it's Sunday afternoon. So let's go see what treasures we can't find. Alright, we're at the second Dollar Tree. Now this one has a lot more traffic because it's like in a very populated shopping center. So there's always a lot of people in here. I'm gonna do my best to get some clips. These are cute. Definitely gonna grab some of those. Look at these pens. Oh, look how cute. Those are very fun. These are decorative numbers. I think I would like these for my junk journals. It's over here. Double-sided tape. Love this. Ooh, actually, I think I want to get one of these for junk journaling. So fun. Little Hobbit journals. Wait, what is this? I got a bunch of these like in a previous haul, but I did not see these. That's cool. They got backpacks. Let me back up. So this was like this was last year's print. These are this year's. This store is freaking packed. Like, can you hear all the people? Kind of have anxiety. Look at this. Oh yeah, getting that one. Okay. All right, look at this. I talked about this in a previous haul. See that? 4 here, 8 here. So just be on the lookout for this. These are really good highlighters too, by the way. Okay, these are $5. That's actually a really good price, I think. That is so cute. You know, this is my favorite section. Oh, look how cute that one is. She probably wouldn't. Your mom would not allow that.